In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp in just 5 minutes. ClickUp is an all-in-one project management tool designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Whether you're working alone or collaborating with a team, setting up ClickUp efficiently ensures you get the most out of its powerful features. First things first, open up your browser and head over to clickup.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're on their homepage, you'll immediately see options to either sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Go ahead and create your account if you haven't yet. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to create your workspace. Think of the workspace as the central hub where all your projects and tasks will be organized. It's like starting with a clean slate, preparing you to structure your work effectively. Once your workspace is set up, it's time to add a space. Click on the plus new space button to create a new space and give it a name that reflects what you want to manage or what your team will refer to. Each space can hold projects, tasks, and various organizing tools, so choose a name that resonates with its purpose or team. With your space created, you'll want to break it down further. Within your space, add a folder for each major process or project. Folders keep related projects or tasks grouped neatly, making navigation straightforward and ensuring everything is easy to find. This is particularly useful in larger teams or complex projects where organization is key. Now let's talk about lists. Within each folder, you can create lists to manage tasks in a more granular way. Imagine lists as categories or stages of a project where tasks can be planned and tracked systematically. Creating a specific list for each task phase allows you to move with precision and clarity. Moving on, explore the Click apps. These are additional features that you can activate as needed to enhance your workflow, such as time tracking or automation options. Simply review the available Click apps and turn on the ones that align with your working style or project requirements. This flexibility allows you to tailor ClickUp to your unique needs. Consistency is crucial, so consider setting up consistent custom fields across your tasks and projects. Custom fields help capture specific data points or information that standard fields might not cover, keeping your process tailored and relevant. Finally, team collaboration. Add people to your workspace and make sure you properly assign roles such as member, admin, or guest. This assures that everyone has appropriate access levels, enhancing security and collaboration efficiency within ClickUp. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up ClickUp in only 5 minutes. With these steps, you're on your way to mastering project management in a simplified, organized way. Enjoy optimizing your productivity with ClickUp, and let's get those projects polished and productive.